Hey Lance, it's Buddy. So delighted that you would take the time to respond and share your thoughts, and I just can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I am here next to Galileo Park, a little park that I adore in the Bronx, dedicated to our friend Galileo. So, I think maybe there might be a little miscommunication, or I didn't express myself as well, and wanted to hear your thoughts on this notion a little bit clearer. So, according to my understanding, and I may be completely wrong, so please correct me if I'm wrong, that where we're supposed to be in our galaxy has changed since when I was a kid, and now, we're supposed to be somewhere like here, let's say. Oops, I gotta get a bigger marker here. Let me do like a lime green, maybe that'll be nice. Lime green, okay. That we're supposed to be somewhere like right here, between the bands. A little bit less radiation, a little bit less stars, and my supposition was that if we go further this direction, even if just a short distance, well, relatively short in terms of how the galaxy appears, but very far in terms of, actuality. If we go this direction, would civilizations have a tendency to be more advanced probabilistically, just in a statistical curve, and less advanced going this way? Now, of course, it's going to be a probabilities thing, and different, places could have, of course, unique conditions. But just as a general rule, there might even be able to be a mathematical formula that could be found at some point in the future when we have a lot more data. But I thought it was a notion worth at least considering. That, like we are here, we've probably drifted this way over time, and we will continue to drift like that over time and more time. So more and more ancient civilizations would appear. And yes, as you start getting into this zone here, there's lots of radiation, and that could theoretically reduce possibilities, but I really don't know, of course, and maybe radiation could help some, I don't know. But what do you think? Do you think that's a logical supposition, or there's just too many other factors involved to really be able to say that the societies would have a tendency, probabilistically, to be more advanced this direction, and probabilistically, statistically, slightly less so this direction? Much love, and I really appreciate your thoughts and consideration.